What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. JP here. I just want to say thank you guys so much for liking and subscribing to my content. I have a lot more cool stuff, so if you haven't liked or subscribed, I encourage you to do so. I appreciate that. Anyway, CopyCopter.AI, I went ahead and purchased it. I thought it was that good. It was worth trying it out. It was worth buying and trying. It was one of the best decisions I've made, I think, so far. I bought it a couple days ago, and I've generated a few shorts, and on those shorts I have thousands of views already, and I've gained subscribers. So whatever CopyCopter is doing, it's working. So I do encourage you just to take a look at it. CopyCopter, you probably know this, but you can try it for free, and I think you can generate a couple of shorts for free. One thing I do have to say is that, and I'm so happy CopyCopter got back to me about this today, is the music. When you upload to YouTube, it gives you a copyright notification. That's because just like all the other programs that you use, even in YouTube and TikTok, that is copywritten music. That music does have a copyright on it. So when you upload it, a notification will pop up. It won't affect your shorts, but if you try to use these for long form videos, I don't think you can monetize long form videos using other people. You can't using other people's music. They will get paid, not you. So my recommendation and my tip is using Suno.AI, and CopyCopter contacted me this morning about this and said, hey, we're going to be implementing or integrating Suno.AI into the CopyCopter platform. So you'll be able to create music based on a description. So if you need music for whatever your genre is, whatever your theme is, you just go over to Suno.AI. It's not free. There is a subscription. I am not an affiliate of Suno.AI. If there was an affiliate program, it is that good. I've downloaded over 1,000 songs, and Suno contacted me last week and said, hey, they emailed me and said, hey, congratulations, you're one of our top users. Awesome. But I use Suno.AI for just about everything, including the music for CopyCopter. I've used the music in CopyCopter, and it's okay. I think there should be more options, and I think they're going to do that. But when they integrate Suno.AI in CopyCopter, that's going to be a huge help, huge benefit, because you can create any type of music, any style, any genre, at any time, and it is amazing. So that is my only minor challenge with CopyCopter. Not a big deal, because it doesn't affect shorts. Even if you use copywritten music, it doesn't affect shorts, and I'm working on shorts right now. But again, long form videos, it might affect you in the long run. So anyway, I do want to run through some of the features of CopyCopter today. It's just I can stay here and play for hours. If I didn't have a full-time job, that's what I would do. I would just stay on my computer and generate content all day, all the time, because it's just that much fun. So let me go ahead and show you. We're going to create a new video here on the top left. So again, welcome to CopyCopter.AI. Again, there's a link in the description, and I may have already mentioned this to you, but I am an affiliate of CopyCopter. So if you do purchase it, I may get a little something, and that helps support my channel. Again, the link is in the description for that, and Suno.ai. It's down below. Okay, so here we are. It's a very basic work environment here, right? It's a very easy, clean workspace. Okay, so all you need to do is you need to generate your idea, right? Create a short 60-second story about cats and dogs. That's their example. One of the platforms they pull from is ChatGPT. This is GPT 4.0. You can do article text, research, article URL, example, your script. This is your own script. I'm just using ChatGPT. Now for this example, a popular niche right now are mysteries, so I'm going to use that, and I should create another video on the top performing niches right now on YouTube, or topics on YouTube, and mysteries is one of them. Philosophy is another one. Religion is another one. So there are a couple more, but I'll do another video about that. Okay, so here we go. So I want to do a video about let's say Area 51 is a big mystery, and to kind of get that idea, I actually went over to ChatGPT, and then I asked it to generate for me some of the top. What are some of the greatest mysteries in the world? And you can do this too to get some ideas about the shorts that you want to create if you don't have ideas. And it gave me a whole list of ideas, and I'm gonna do the mystery of Area 51. Okay, so let me go to the bottom here. It did create a script, but I didn't like it, and this script was too long. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab my description from here. Where are you? Oh, here we go. Can you provide a script? And I did specify to make it 60 seconds long. If you don't specify, it might make it too long. So let's do it in here. I'm going to create a script from prompt, and here we go. Okay, cool. So we did it. It looks like it's going to be 66 seconds. That might be okay for YouTube Shorts. It cuts it off at 60 seconds. Other platforms, you can use this and plug it in. I think it'll allow you to go beyond it, up to the 66 seconds and a little bit beyond that. So we're going to leave that. We'll leave it at 66 seconds. And I like to use, so here are the voiceovers, which are pretty good. This voice you will recognize.
Ever wonder why we say, bless you, when someone sneezes?
That's Adam. Everyone, that's Adam. Adam's all over the internet right now. So that's good. I guess if you want to use a popular voice, you can do that because people are familiar with it. I've been using David, who's old. I don't know, it says old.
In a hidden valley, 5 extraordinary creatures roamed.
And I'm really attracted to a British accent, and David has
in a hidden valley
drawn to a British accent.
In a hidden valley, 5 extraordinary creatures.
But again, you can play around with this. It looks like with the free versions, you'll have access to these 8 up here. With the premium, it just opens up so many more, and it sounds really good. So aspect ratio, I'm sticking with shorts. So this is going to be a short. And here's where I can just spend hours on. Here are different AI models. Flux, I believe Flux is the most popular. I would like to play around with these a little bit, but I'm not creating cartoons. I'm not creating like really cartoony art or 3D cartoons or this other one. I don't know what that is. Stable diffusion. I don't know. I really don't know. So if you have any idea of or if you have a preference, I would love to hear your preference in the description below. So we're going to go to Flux, and then this is Area 51, and I'm wondering if I can use something a little more realistic. I've been using digital art, but here's line art, which is pretty good. I did a short with that a couple hours ago, and I have a few hundred views already on that, and 35 likes. So that's not bad. My other ones seem to be performing a little bit better. Fantasy art, which is good. Digital art, okay. So let's go analog film. No specified style. Let's just go none here. No specified style. And let's just see what happens. Again, this is a video I probably won't upload to any of my channels, but I'm just showing you because this might be a niche that you are working on. Okay, so let's create. Okay, it's 10 credits. The package that I bought, I have 600 credits a month to use. So I have, how many left? Nice, I still have 500 credits or a little less than 500 credits to use left in the month. All right, let's generate this video. All right, and we're back, and so far I like the first image a lot, but what I don't like are these little words, and we're going to change that to make these words bigger. So here you can modify a lot, and this is what I love about CopyCopter.AI. Phrase size. I like to use less words, and this is just another trick, another tool, another secret is the less words you have, the more that they need to pay attention to the word switching. So you will keep them for longer on the video. All right. So your performance is highly predicated on the duration that people watch. So you want to keep them on the video as long as possible, and this is a way to do it. Just keep your phrases short. So I'm going to go down to 1 word. Obviously, that is a very tiny word, so we have to make the word bigger. And it's in the middle. I don't like that. We're going to bring it down to the bottom quarter. Or like it's 80. Oh yeah, here we go. 80%, 70, 79. yeah, it doesn't really matter. Okay, 80%, 79%. All right, so I can play it, and let's just hear how it sounds. Let's hear this voice.
In the heart of Nevada's desert lies Area 51, a top-secret military base shrouded in mystery. For decades, whispers of extraterrestrial encounters have swirled around this enigmatic site. In the 1950s, reports of unidentified...
All right, so far so good. The words are not working for me, so I need to change this. So it has Y position, but it doesn't have X. So I can move it up and down, but I can't move it left and right. So I need to make these words smaller. Okay, that should work. Let's press play.
Identified flying objects began to surface, sparking rumors of alien technology being studied within its heavily guarded perimeter. The government remained tight-lipped, fueling speculation and intrigue. In recent years, declassified documents hinted at advanced aircraft testing, but many believe the truth is far more otherworldly. Eyewitness accounts describe strange lights and unearthly beings, suggesting that not only have aliens visited, but they might be among us now. Experts argue that the secrecy surrounding Area 51 is a smokescreen, hiding the reality of extraterrestrial presence on Earth. If true, it raises profound questions about our place in the universe and the future of humanity. As the mystery deepens, one thing is certain. Area 51 continues to captivate our imagination, leaving us to wonder what secrets lie within and among us. In the heart of Nevada's desert...
I think this is amazing. I know that this short would get thousands of views within the first couple of hours. It presents well. It's very interesting. It's engaging. I didn't like how some of the words presented. So like this phrase right here, and you can go in and change these words too. So you can get rid of them and you can modify those also, which I love about this program. Awesome. So let's go ahead and I'm going to make the phrase size font. I got to make the font smaller. Okay. That should work perfectly.
Extraterrestrial encounters have swirled around this enigmatic site. In the 1950s, reports of unidentified flying objects began to surface, sparking rumors of alien technology being studied within its heavily guarded perimeter. The government remained tight-lipped, fueling speculation and intrigue. In recent years, declassified documents hinted at advanced aircraft testing.
All right, I like it. I'm gonna keep the text that small because there are some large words that will bleed over out of the video area. So I like that. Okay, so like I said before, music is, it is what it is. I don't think there are many options here, right? If there are other options, I would love to hear from you, or CopyCopter, if you can let me know. If you can email me, or comment on the video. So I want like an intriguing, dynamic, dark type of sound, like an interesting, mystical. Okay, that's what I'm looking for. That's not mystical. That's funny. No. Nope. Funny. Nope. Go chill vibes. No. Frightmare. Let's try that. No, all right. I don't like any of these. So, sorry, CopyCopter. I don't like any of these for this particular video. I think some of them are cool sounding, but just not for this video. I need something mystical. I'm gonna head over to Suno.ai. Please, CopyCopter, make it happen soon. Make that integration happen soon. Again, Suno. The link is in the description, so click that link, and then I'm gonna go ahead and type in mystical sound song, strings and pads, for celestial, maybe for a space celestial video. All right, let's do it. Create it. And Suno.AI, within 10 seconds, you have 2 songs, not 1, but 2. The cost on this, extremely reasonable. Again, I'm not an affiliate. I'm not trying to sell you on anything. I just think this is an amazing piece of software. Within 10 seconds, it gives you two songs for $10 a month. It allows me to create, I think it's like 1,000 songs or 800 or something crazy. I've never used up all my credits, which is awesome. And I just keep like creating and creating. Okay, let's hear Celestial Dreams. Ooh, okay. It added piano, even though I wanted strings and pad, but I hear the strings and I hear the pad in there. Okay, that's the first one. I like it. Let's try this one. No, I don't like that one. I'm just gonna use this one. I'm gonna go ahead and download this. Just give it a minute. So we're gonna download that audio. Let's go to my download folder, and we're gonna just save it. I'm just gonna drag it over to my desktop and just save it on my desktop right now. Good, it's there. We're not doing anything with it right now, all right? We need to export our video once we're happy with it. The voice, again, you could change the voice. I'm not going to. I like David's accent. The overlay, right now there are bokeh. I think it's called bokeh particles. You can do all different types of filters on here. I would love it, CopyCopter, if you could add some more types of filters on here. I don't know, like TikTok has 100. I think it would be really cool if you had more filters. But I like bokeh particles. You know what? I'm not going to use it. I'm not going to use. Can I click off? Yes, I should be able to. Up here, I think. Yeah, there we go. Opacity. So this is how much it really comes through, shows through. Yeah. So I'm just going to click off on this. So no filter. Motion. You could change the motion of these individual pictures. You can make them move more. That's motion. You can delete, you can edit. So if you go into this, if I go here and I don't like what I see, I actually love this. I think this is awesome. It's a very captivating image. You can generate a new image. It does cost you a credit, but you can generate a new image. I'm not going to go and do that. You can add motion. Let's check this add motion. Normal. Let me add, you know what? I'm going to add a little motion to the frame. It's going to cost me a credit, but I'm going to add a little motion to this. I think adding motion is good. It keeps people engaged. And like I said before, another secret is you want to have them watch most, if not all, of your video, because that is what is going to make your videos go viral on YouTube or any other platform. Okay, we're back, and I do not like this, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to revert to the original. You do not have to use it. I just used up a credit, but that's okay. Revert to original. Cool. We're going to keep it like that. But that's just an example of how to edit your images. And in my other shorts, I edited a whole bunch of photos, and I'm so happy with how they turned out. I like that you can modify these. So thank you, CopyCopter.AI. Okay, so I think we're good. I think our text is good. Our music, we're saving that. Voice, fine. Overlay, not using one. Motion, fine. Project. You can check your safe zones. Where TikTok has all their stuff, where YouTube has all their logos and numbers. Instagram, and obviously on the top left, you're going to want to remove that watermark. There is a watermark on the top right. I think if you don't click that, it's going to export with that watermark. So get rid of it. Right? Okay, we're good. We're going to export this video now. Up on the top right, you can change the ratio, the image ratio to 16:9, which, yeah, we're not going to do that. We're going to go 9:16. But anyway, that's how you can, and I created a couple movies, long form videos using CopyCopter. It's not just shorts. and I uploaded these to YouTube. Now, there is a time limitation. It's 60 seconds, maybe a little longer. Look, this is a minute. This one's a minute and 20 seconds. So it does not go much longer than a minute. This is an exception to the rule. But when you upload to Shorts, Shorts is not going to allow you to go past 60 seconds. Long form video, totally fine. Let's go ahead and export this as a 916. All right, make sure you click this remove watermark, export video. All right, guys, we're back. And I just checked my phone. Based on the shorts that I uploaded within the last 12 hours, I gained 12 new subscribers to my channel. I have a couple different channels, but on this particular one where I uploaded 3 shorts, I have 12 new subscribers in the last 10 hours. So thank you, CopyCopter. Awesome. Cool. So we have to go ahead and download this, share it to social media. I'm not going to share these to social media right now because I do want to make that minor modification or addition with the music. I'm going to download this. It's in my download folder, and you can open up any video editing software. I have a couple. I have Final Cut Pro. I have CapCut, which I absolutely love. I love the captions in CapCut, and that's what I use CapCut mainly for, is for the captions. All right, guys, so we are done here. Thanks so much for following. I hope you like CopyCopter.AI. I like it so far. Again, I gained 12 subscribers since last night. If you like the program, try it out, use it. If you don't, if there are other types of software out there that are comparable to CopyCopter, again, I am open to looking for the best tools out there, and I'm going to be sharing a whole bunch of tips and tricks and secrets here that's going to help you create awesome content for your faceless YouTube channels and whatever other channels too. So like and subscribe. That definitely helps get this channel moving, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.